Hello everyone, this is V, Buzzing with V. Welcome to another video. Well, today's video is day 8 of my 12 days of Christmas with Holly Jolly V. Welcome! Okay, well today is a feature for Scrap Diva Designs. I will be her guest designer for her Valentine's line, and she sent me some extras, 3 Christmas dies that she sent me for her Christmas line, and I just want to go ahead and share them before the holiday is over. I know technically it's already over for us crafters. However, Christmas in July is just around the corner, and you guys would want to grab some of these because they're already selling out like hotcakes. So she sent me the medium bow die, and it has a snowflake on the end, just like this one right here. And so this is the medium. And then she sent me the large. This one has been sold out already, and she has a limited stock on this one, so go ahead and check her out before they sell out. Stay tuned for some more projects using this die as well as this bell die. So there's so many possibilities for these dies. I've already created something else for this. So stay tuned for the end for what you can do with this die and what you can do with this die, you guys. These two together, you will see, and you will want to keep these out and not put away for the season because you can use it for other holidays. So here is my bow. This one was made with a Michaels collection. So here is my coffee mug full of cocoa. So I love this bow, you guys. There's so much that you can do with this. For me, what I did is I double layered and also made a lining. So made a lining there and also put some stitching on it, added some fluff in the back, and then added the snowflake to the top with a little rhinestone in the middle. So I had this little project in mind and knew that I had all of my ingredients to put into this little cocoa box mug. However, my husband has eaten all of the marshmallows, so here are the faux marshmallows, if you will. So these are pom-poms, so I just put them in there just to take the place of a marshmallow. So this would be a marshmallow bag. This would be a candy cane. Since I didn't have a pink candy cane, there's my red candy cane. I made a pink candy cane and just attached the red one to the back. And then here is my cocoa. This is the Swiss cocoa, and look at that. I used her snowflakes to decorate the back, and I love the foam that I use there. It's so bright and vibrant and sparkles. It sparkles so much more than cardstock. This right here is glittered cardstock, and you can see the difference already. So that is my little project for this die, and I want to show you how I created this die, so keep on watching. I'm using the miniature bow die here. So this is what you're going to do is you want to cut out the bow. So this is what you get when you do die cut your pieces. So you will get this right here. And so what you want to do is cut 2 of these. If you cut 2 of these, you can make a lining by fussy cutting out faux stitching there. So just cut right under that faux stitching, and this is what you get. So let's go ahead and glue everything together. I'm gluing all that together. Be sure to check out Scrap Diva Designs at scrapdivadesigns.com, and you will see all the other dies. Okay, this is what it looks like so far, and now I'm going to add some of these foam dots from Dollar Tree. And what you want to do is just grab 2 of them, stack them together, and then adhere them to the middle of the bow. So now I'm going to glue this to the top and round it. This is just the middle layer for the bow, It comes with the die. Okay, here's what it looks like, and now I want to add some more of this eyelash trim. Then I'm going to place the snowflake right on top. Okay, this is what it looks like. Added some extra eyelash trim. Now time to add the snowflake with some hot glue. So that's what it looks like. Now I'm going to add a rhinestone. This is a flat back, kind of like a mother of pearl. Okay, so I'm just going to use some hot glue for this and place it right in the center. Now, how pretty does that look? That is so pretty. I love the paper collection. I love the snowflake die with the glittered foam. It just looks so beautiful. I can add it in here if I'd like, or I can add it as an extra piece in there for the recipient to use. But look at the difference in the dies. So this is medium and this is large. So again, the large is not available. The medium is, so go ahead and grab it quick because they are flying out like hotcakes. So again, this one is the large, and I did add some Nouveau drops. This is the like the diamond color Nouveau drops, and I love the glitter. And I added extra eyelash trim to this one. But oh my goodness, this one is just beautiful, beautiful colors. Okay, so now, so with the die, you can use this all year round, and let me show you how. So this is how it comes, right? So when it comes like this, what you want to do is cut those snowflakes off. So we're going to go ahead and do that. So I have one here. So what you want to do is you start off on the edges right here. I start on the edges first. So cut all those edges there and just kind of follow the line that it's already creating with the shape. Okay, so now what you want to do is cut along right under the snowflake, where the snowflake would be. So right under the snowflake. And that's what you get right there. So now it's no longer a snowflake die, but a regular die. It doesn't have a fishtail, but that's okay, and you will see how it looks. So I made this here for Valentine's, you guys, and not only that you can use this bow for all year round, you can make a conversation heart with this. So Erica does have a lot of hearts coming up for February, and you can use the negative from those hearts for all those pieces that she has in her shop. Out comes a heart. You can use that for center. You can use it for the sides as well. And then this die right here, you can make conversation hearts with the words from this die right here. So I thought that was such a neat idea for upcoming Valentine's. So yeah, you guys, if you guys picked up those dies, keep them out because they're going to be useful for Valentine's. And I just love this bow. This one, I believe, is this one's the larger one. So it is fairly large. And let me get an approximate length. So it's approximately a tad over 3 inches long without the snowflake. With the snowflake, it's 4 3/4 long. So the length is 4 3/4. The small one with the snowflake is just a tad under 4 inches. So as you can see, if it's a tad under 4 inches, so with the medium one without the snowflakes will be a little over 2.5 inches long. So, oh, you guys, such beautiful, amazing pieces here. And this is my project. Well, hope you enjoy that, you guys, and you will create your bows. And hope I inspired you. And I will see you guys tomorrow for some for my 12 days of Christmas featuring Scrap Diva designs. Bye!